Good morning, everybody. Y'all excuse me, I am a mess today, but we're going to make some ham and cheese swim biscuits. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a whole stick of butter and I'm going to drop it in my cast iron skillet. It's preheating at 450 degrees. I'm going to put it in there about 5 minutes while I'm mixing these other ingredients. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I like white lily. That's what I always cook with. So that's what I use. You can use whatever you like. So that's 2 3/4 cup. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. Now we're going to take 4 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. So we'll do that first. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 1/2. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now we're going to mix all these dry ingredients together first. Oh, I need 1 teaspoon of sugar. I almost forgot. Actually, it's 2 teaspoons of sugar. So we have our dry ingredients mixed up. So now we're going to take some diced ham. And the recipe calls for about 8 ounces. This is a 16-ounce pack, so I'm just going to divide it in half. Put about half of it in here. Just kind of crumble that up. Then we take 2 cups of, it's supposed to be buttermilk, but I didn't have buttermilk, so we're going to use whole milk. I didn't even take the time to make my buttermilk. And then about a cup of cheese. I use Colby Jack because that's what I had in the refrigerator. I grated it up. It's supposed to be about a cup. That's probably a little more than a cup, but we're going to roll with it. And then you just mix all these wet ingredients together. So let's get our butter out of the oven. We've got all of our ingredients mixed. It's good and melted. So now we've got that out of the oven. We're going to take our mixture here and we're just going to pour it off into this butter. So we've got it all poured in here. So now we're going to put it back in our 450 degree oven for about 15-20 minutes until it gets golden brown. Okay, so we just took it out of the oven. I let it cook about 20 minutes. So we're going to cut into it and see what we think.